Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Juvy. And before I go anything further, please make sure you already subscribed to this channel. If not, please do subscribe by simply clicking the subscribe button below and the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I have a new uploaded video. So today's video, I'm going to be trying a Korean makeup look. Please make sure that you watch until the end so you can see myself transform from this look to this look. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, prep your skin. I already do mine and I'm ready to put on my makeup. So first is to moisturize my lips, like using this. It's Fine All Is Well tinted lip balm. This is from Etude House. So dry kasi yung lips ko, kaya dapat lagi ako may lip moisturizer or lip balm or lip gloss. And I'll just remove my eyeglasses. Since Korean makeup look ito, hindi ako masyadong maglalagay ng mga products sa aking face. Very light makeup lang. And I'll do my best to try yung perfect glass skin makeup na yun. Dahil ito din yung mga makeup, Korean makeup at ang skin ng mga Korean. So I'll try my best to mimic that look. To conceal the imperfection on my face, I'll use this Maybelline New York. This is the Fit Me Concealer. I am in the shade 20 Sand and Sable. I'll just use this concealer to conceal my eye bags, my pimple marks, and all the dark spots on my face. And I'll just blend it out using my fingers. So hindi pala kaya ng fingers ko i-blend out yung product. And dami pala i-conceal sa skin ko. Ganda eh, feeling makinis kasi. Anyway, I'll just use this brush. Then, isiset ko lang yung concealer using this Innisfree Topaz. Ito yung Nose Foam powder nila. Lagay ko lang siya sa buong mukha ko. Ito yung gagamitin kong pang-set sa liquid or sa concealer na nilagay ko sa face ko. Ayan, dahil tinted lip balm yung nilagay ko sa aking lips, nilagay tayo nitong Kissful Lip Care Concealer. So, para medyo mawala yung color ng lips. And then, brush ko lang with powder brush. Sobrang dry ng lips ko. Eyebrow that I'll be using is this Baby Face Natural Eyebrow. This is from It's Skin and I am in the shade 02 Brown. Ayan, sa aking kilay, maglalagay man tayo ng eyeshadow. Ang eyeshadow na gagamitin ko ay isang Maybelline. This is the Gigi Hadid Dead Center Palette. Korean makeup is parang glittery yung mata nila, parang nag-pop. Ang gagamitin ka lang na shade as base eyeshadow is itong shimmer eyeshadow na to para magkaroon ng, para ma-open up yung eyes at ma-brighten up yung mata. And then, itong shade naman ang gagamitin ko para magkaroon ng depth at dimension ng ating eyes. And ilalagay ko din siya sa ilalim ng mata. As you can see, nagkaroon ng shape ang aking mga mata. I'm gonna be skipping black eyeliner. Instead, I'm gonna be using this Physicians Formula. This is the beige color eyeliner. I'll just put this product under my, ito sa waterline, para mas magbukas yung mga mata. I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara. And this is from Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. So this is what my eyes looks like right now. Magko-contour ako ng very light lang sa side ng nose, tsaka dito sa cheek and sa forehead. I'm gonna be using the same palette yung Juvy Hattie ng Maybelline. We're almost done. It's time for me to put on my blush. And hindi lang yung gagamitin ko. Gel stain actually. This is the Lip and Cheek Gel Stain from Omenez Beauty. I'm going to use Isabella for my cheek. Then I'm also gonna use the same Lip and Cheek Gel Stain from Omenez Beauty. But this time, this is in the shade Dolly. The illustration of a glowing and glass skin effect, I'm going to go ahead and put highlights on my face. And I'm going to use the highlighter from the same eyeshadow palette from Juvy Hattie from Maybelline. And we are done with the makeup, and to complete this look, I'm going to go ahead and accessorize myself. I'll be right back. It is mga Mars. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. And if you do not forget to like this video, leave any comment down below, and please do subscribe for more videos from me. And see you in the next one. Bye guys. Opa, opa, annyeonghaseyo.